Hi everyone! Hello! We're at the beach today. The water's so blue! So we figured we would film
At the beach.
This is Carly.
Oh my!
And this is Jackie. Hello!
I'm Carly, and that's Jackie.
Yeah. In case you
Carly
didn't get
and
it the
Jackie.
first time.
I like rock and she likes trust, so we're Trust of Rock. It's really stupid, but I made it up, so ha ha ha. Can't say it's stupid.
So, we're gonna explain why our channel is called Trust a Rock. It's because, and we have to scream because they can't hear us, as the wind is blowing all over the place and you can't hear us talking.
Look at the shell.
She always used to say, rock.
Yeah, and then Jackie started saying it because she's the copycat.
Yeah, no, and then I wanted to start saying it and I was like, you know, we can have like a little sharing thing and I can say it with you. But that wasn't okay with her. So she wants rock, then I have to come up with something else. So I took her home one day and after that I was telling her like trust me or something like that, and I was like, trust.
She said it really funny.
I was like, just trust.
It's more like trust.
Yeah, and ever since then it's been Trust a Rock, so that's what we came up with.
Very nice.
Don't hate on our name, just Trust a Rock. Do it.
They're very smart pieces of gravel, they are.
And
rocks are very smart pieces of earth. They'll tell you the truth always.
they get it.
Okay.
Okay.
In case if you're wondering, we're on vacation. We're really not. We're just at the beach. We live here. This is our place.
Obviously we live here.
No, spring break, but we're not
True.
on vacation. We live here, so we're just chilling at our homeland.
We're not on
with all these
vacation.
vacationers.
We're on spring break, but this is where we come for spring break.
So we're on vacation, but we're not at a vacation place. We're at home.
Yes.
I'm on the beach and I'm reading a book. And I'm listening to my iPod. Jackie doesn't like me reading. She calls me a bookworm, which is very rude. This is intellect at its finest, ladies.
It's a joke.
And gentlemen. It's a joke, she says.
It's me right here, Jackie, and
Worm too.
yeah, about the whole bookworm. That's just a joke, you know. I can't read. I'll like pick up a book and I'll read the first page and I'll be like, screw it, and I'll just like throw it away. That's one fact you know about me. I hate reading. So if you ever ask me to read, please don't, because I won't. Bye.
Shake the shade. Within his dreams he sees the life he made.
Okay, we're stopping this. Bye.